Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make coconut pyramids or coconut biscuits. This recipe is from the Ferrandi French patisserie book, which is an amazing book that you can buy and test. There is quite a few recipes there that can be made easily. To start, preheat the oven to 450 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius. In a bowl, add together shredded coconut with powdered sugar and then add the egg white and the apple jam or apple sauce. If you're using jam, it's a good idea to premix it with a little bit of water to make it softer. Mix all ingredients until combined. Once mixed, check if you can make a stable bowl. If it's too liquidy, add a bit more coconut, or if it's way too hard, add a bit more applesauce or apple jam. Once your mix is ready, spoon the mixture into a pastry bag and pipe small mounds onto a silicone mat or parchment paper. Alternatively, you can just make this step with your hands and just make small balls. And for the next step, dampen your fingers with cold water and neaten into pyramid shapes. As we are showing you in the video, just slide your hands next to each other, and this way you're gonna achieve the pyramid shapes you're looking for, or you can just leave those balls as they are and they'll become a nice cookie. Next, they're ready to bake for about 8 minutes until a crust forms on top on the outside of the pyramids. To make the pyramids a bit shiny, just make a simple syrup with 1:1 sugar to water ratio, and once cold, glaze them gently with a brush. A great idea as well is to dip those pyramids halfway into chocolate, but what we're gonna do actually is decorate them with a little bit of edible gold, which you can purchase online easily. This is one of the easiest biscuits you can make. It's nice, it's tasty, and it's beautiful. Rocher Coco or Coco Pyramids. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. We hope to see you in the next one. And before that, don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Press the like button and comment down, because this really helps us go to more people and be found. This way we can make more content and show you different recipes. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.